So you competed in the fall contest. Tell me about the different parts of the fall contest.
So in the fall contest, there are 3 different parts. There is plant and seed identification, seed analysis, and grain grading. And in plant and seed identification, we have to correctly identify and spell over 200 different varieties of both plants and seeds, plants or seeds.
And then you have seed analysis, so you have a base crop being different for each one, and then you have add-ins of different crops and weeds that you have to classify and find within the base sample.
You pick out all different kinds of common, restricted, and noxious weeds and identify them correctly as well.
And the third part is grain grading, and you have all different base samples, and you have to go through and pick and grade the samples, so looking for damage, different factors that affect it, like if it's irrigated, if it's garlicky, random stuff, smutty.
So like grading grain, are you giving it like an A, a B, a C? What does that mean?
So it's the USDA scale of grading grain. So there's USDA number 1, 2, 3, 4, some species there's 5, and then there's sample grade, which is the worst.
1 would be your highest quality grain, meaning there's not very many weed seeds, there's not much foreign material, no damage either by mold or insects or heat. And then when you get down to your sample grade, it can be all of those things, or one that's really prevalent in particular.
That all has to do with how you can market your grain. If you're a producer, if you are a trader, it's important to know if you're buying, selling, that one has a higher value than the other. It's very practical.